Good afternoon. This is IES Roofing Services. Kevin Thieveridge out here at a roof inspection from one of our realtor friends. Asked us to come out and do a roof inspection based on the home inspection report. One of the concerns was no step flashing on the head wall where the roof meets the upper elevation. Let me turn around and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the home inspecting report showed no step flashing along this wall, which I thought to be very strange because even the most lazy roofer would put step flashing in. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that is bare wall under there. Absolutely bare wall. There's zero step flashing up this wall and down the other side. Unreal.